How to find Starbucks customer service contact options. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Starbucks FAQ. Here you'll find Contact Us. Here at the bottom, if you scroll down, you'll find Need to Get in Touch. Our customer care is here to save the day. You can click on Chat with Us and chat with the customer representative. And if you click on Give Us a Call, it will lead you to a number, and you can simply call and the representative will pick up according to your country. And after you do this, you're good to go. You can also find customer service hours. For chat, it's 7 days a week, 4 a.m. to 10 p.m. Pacific. And phone, 7 days a week, 5 a.m. to 8 p.m. also Pacific. And this is how to find Starbucks customer service contact options. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.